Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well, and I appreciate each and every one of you for coming back and bearing with me for another episode of I Screwed Up This Design Royally. So let me tell you, I am terrible at doing ombres, and you're going to see me struggle through this one. I don't know what my problem is with doing ombres. Maybe it's that I don't have a good ombre brush. Maybe it's just that ombres aren't my thing. But you're going to see me struggle and struggle and struggle. I do 3 layers of trying to get this ombre right, and it just doesn't happen. I don't know what my problem is, but yeah. It's just not my thing, I guess. But I still try. And maybe I think it still turned out cute, but you let me know what you think. But, you gotta try. If you don't try, you never succeed, you never get better. But I thought I'd let you watch my epic fail. And maybe y'all can give me some pointers on how I could do better. But anyway, I'm using VHCC IRT chrome polish. And I absolutely love this stuff. I've been playing with it since the day I got it. And if you'd like to check it out, I'll leave the links in the description box. And I have a code so you can save 20% off if you'd like to try it. The code is good from 10/24/2003 to 11/21/2003 at midnight. And the code is 20BarbieVC. If you haven't already checked out this video, go check it out. It explains how to use this chrome polish pretty much in depth. And it's really super easy to use, and you'll absolutely love it. I think it's a great quality chrome polish, and it's pretty easy to use. It just takes a little practice. I'm really enjoying it, and I can't get enough of using it. So you see me starting to try to do the ombre, and I've tried a couple of different ways to do it. And so I'm finally deciding to use a toothpick. And it's not working. I'm not getting an effect that I like. So now I'm going back through, and I cured it, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go through and do a second coat and see if I can get it to look better. The brush didn't work. The smaller brush didn't work. The liner brush didn't work. The toothpick gave it a kind of funky, kind of a, I don't know what you would call it, a rough look. So now on the second coat, we're going to go through and we're going to kind of do the same thing. I'm hoping I can get a smooth ombre look. That just didn't happen. No matter what I did, no matter what I tried, I just could not get it. And, all these people I see doing the sponge technique, that doesn't work for me either. I don't know what my problem is, but I just can't do an ombre that looks right. I'm ombre impaired. Oh my gosh. But do y'all see how pretty this chrome polish is? And especially up against that green. Okay, you see me going down now? Do you see that ombre not happening? What is my problem? It is not happening. Why? Why is my ombres not happening no matter what I do? What am I doing wrong, y'all? Okay, so now I'm going to try to go the other way. Still not happening. What is my issue? And it doesn't matter what brand I use. It doesn't matter what brushes I use. So I'm giving up. I'm just going to go in with the whole brush. And I'm just going to make little swipes with the brush. And we're just going to go over it and make it a day. And then we're going to go in, I'm going to go in with that other brush, the brush that came with the whole kit, and I'm going to make it look like, I don't know, kind of maybe like fire? I don't know how you would describe it. Maybe you can come up with a word that kind of describes what it looks like. I don't know, maybe like, I don't know. You tell me kind of what it looks like to you. So one thing I do want to mention when it comes to this chrome polish, and it's a mistake that I made and I kind of learned the hard way on the last set. When you use the chrome polish and you're painting it on, make sure that you go in one direction, because you're going to wind up looking all kinds of crazy. The design, every brush stroke that you do will show up if you're going in more than one direction. Yeah, I learned that the hard way. Yeah, sorry, my dog is kind of barking or grumping. Sorry about that. So you're going to wind up looking all kinds of crazy if you have brush strokes going every which way with this chrome polish, unless that's your intended look. So, yeah, I learned everything the hard way. Go figure. Some people, like me, you know how that goes. I'm always looking all kinds of crazy. Go figure. You know how some people are. That's just me. I gotta do everything backwards. Anytime I'm given the chance. So anyway, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank VHCCIRT for giving me the opportunity to try out this awesome chrome gel polish. I'd also like to say thank you to everybody that watches my videos. They take their time out of their busy day to check out these videos, watch them, comment, subscribe, like, share, all those good things, and it really helps me out. Make sure that you hit those post notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you haven't already, check out some of those videos I already have posted, because some of them I think you'll really enjoy as well. So first here I'm gonna again try to start that ombre, which I'm already frustrated. So I'm just gonna do the little swipe with my brush again, and I'm almost giving up on doing that ombre. So we're just gonna swipe with that gel polish brush, and then I'm just gonna take that smaller brush and I'm just gonna do a little bit of swiping to get that little flame effect again. So everything kind of looks cohesive. And yeah, I'll try the regular ombre, the smooth looking nice ombre again, maybe at a later date. Hopefully I won't fail at it again, but we'll see. But meanwhile, this kind of ombre, this was a fail, and yeah, there was something in my gel polish. I don't know what it was. But then after that, I really didn't have a plan with this optical illusion. It's the first time I've ever done it. So I just actually dipped my brush into some alcohol and then kind of swiped away. Really, I didn't have a design in mind. I just kind of went with it. And it took me a couple of times to get it clean enough to where you could actually see the design, which I really, like I said, I didn't have a design in mind. But I hope you enjoy, and you let me know what you think of how it turned out. I think it actually turned out pretty decent, despite the fact that the ombre was a fail. I don't know. I'll have to try to get the ombre again. I don't know what my issue is, but yeah. Who knows? It is what it is. You just got to kind of keep trying until you get it right, which I'll do. Eventually, hopefully I'll get it. And although I don't think it turned out too awful bad, but I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. But make sure to like and share and comment. I also did a top coat, but make sure, oh, there we go. Yeah, what do you think about that? I just went over it, I think twice, 2-3 times, and I did use a little alcohol, and then I top coated it, just to give it a real shiny look to it. Oh, yep. There you go. yeah, looking good there, huh? Maybe? So, and swipe. So, yeah, there it is. I hope you all enjoy. I'm just going to put some top coat on it and finish it off. And I hope you enjoy the final look. There it is, y'all. Shiny, pretty. Thank you for watching, y'all. Have a great day.